Plumber near me. Services in North Shore, northwest suburbs of Chicago, Illinois. Plumbing, toilet repair and installation, pipe repair, installation and replacement services, faucet repair and installation, bathtub repairs, kitchen and bathroom sink repair and installation, water heater installation and repair, tankless water heater services, gas water heater installation and repair, electric water heater installation and repair, sump pump repair and installation, sump pump and battery backup systems, sewer ejector pump service, sump pump, pit cleaning, hose bibs and spigots, residential garbage disposals, video camera, sewer and drain inspections, hydrojetting, laundry drain cleaning and repair, emergency plumbing, gas line installation, water treatment system, excavation services, restoration services, water damage restoration, repair and rebuild services, heating, air conditioning, air duct cleaning. Phone 224-754-1984.